In problem 16, we are multiplying and simplifying polynomial expressions. Part A, 3x times the quantity x minus 4. What I'm going to do is use the distributive property to multiply 3x times x and 3x times negative 4, but let's see how that's going to work. 3x, I'm going to write it so you can see all of the multiplications, times x, and then I'm going to write plus 3x times negative 4. And I do that so that there's no confusion about signs. Then I'm going to use the properties of exponents to simplify each multiplication. 3x times x, well, x times x is x to the 1 times x to the 1, which is x to the 1 plus 1, or x squared. And then 3x times negative 4, I'm going to multiply the coefficients. 3 times negative 4 is going to give me a negative 12, and then the x is left over, and this is my final result. Here, negative 2x times the quantity x cubed minus x plus 5. Again, I want to take negative 2x and distribute it across each of the terms in parentheses. The way I'm going to do that is to write it as negative 2x times x cubed. And again, I'm going to write plus negative 2x times negative x plus negative 2x times a positive 5. And then I'm going to simplify each one, and I find that the signs work themselves out a little bit better if I split them up this way. Negative 2x times x to the third becomes negative 2, and then my x powers are to the fourth, because this is x to the 1 times x to the third. Plus, now I'm going to have negative 2 times, the coefficient here is negative 1. That's going to give me a plus 2. And then the x times the x is going to be x squared. The last set of multiplications, I'm going to have negative 2 times 5, which gives me negative 10. And then all I have is x. And I see my final result, negative 2x to the fourth plus 2x squared minus 10x. This last one, I have 3x times x minus 4 plus 2 times x minus 4. So that's going to be 3x times x plus 3x times negative 4. That's the first set, plus now 2 times x plus 2 times negative 4. 3x times x, we found above that that's 3x squared. 3x times negative 4 is negative 12x. 2 times x is just 2x, and that's positive. 2 times negative 4 is minus 8, or negative 8. Last thing I need to do is combine like terms, which are going to be these terms here in the middle. My 3x squared stays the same. I have negative 12x plus 2x, which becomes negative 10x. Minus 8 stays minus 8, and we have our final result.